Hello and welcome. We're going today to look at Italki, a website for finding teachers to learn about foreign languages. So here we are, we've started off up here with find a teacher. So you can choose what language you want. Say you're looking to learn English, and then you can decide when you want a lesson, say in the morning. And then you can find some teachers here. Lots and lots of teachers. Great. And yeah, let's look at me because I'm the best, of course. So go to my profile. You can have a little bit more of a look at the teacher here. So see a bit of information about them. You see their rating, how students have thought about them, 5-star rating, how many students they've had. You want them to have had a lower amount of students because that means that they've taught students and they've stayed with them because they're happy. 234 lessons, that's quite a lot. It just shows it's a Skype lesson and you can have a video as well. Read the description, see what they have to say, and watch their video maybe. Here you see their prices. These ITCs, that means related to dollars, so 100 ITCs is $1, so that will be $18. It will be converted into your local currency when you buy lessons. And you can read their CV, you can see their ratings and statistics. You want them to have high attendance, good ratings, and yeah. And then you can read reviews, what students have said, so that's quite good. And yeah, that's about it for the profiles. And then you can look at a few other things, teacher settings, account settings. Probably don't need those. You then go to the community as well, look at articles. You can read some language learning articles, quite good. That's quite interesting. Then you can look at the notebook. That's where students write their own ideas and they can be corrected. That's quite good. Or is that? Yeah. And yeah, that's Italki. It's quite a hard site to navigate, I would say. You just have to keep committed with it. You can ask questions here on answers. Ask questions, hopefully a teacher or something will answer. Discussions here. And yeah, language partners you can look for. You can sort by language, gender, which I always think is a bit strange, whether they're a native speaker, where they're from, so that's good. In terms of then buying credits, maybe that would be interesting. I've got something else because I'm a teacher, but if you go to student wallet here, so what did we do? We went here and then to your wallet, and then you go buy credits, and then you can buy however many you want, and then you can use that to buy lessons. So that's good. That's good. So overall, I think Italki is a pretty decent site. You can, I think if you want kind of to find a cheap teacher, you can, I think, sort by price, or you used to be able to. You do 0 to 100 and find some cheaper teachers, which is quite good. And especially like some new teachers might charge a bit cheaper. which is good. And yeah, I've had a lot of good fun with Italki. I teach here, and it's great. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this screencast.